Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by parking the Dodge Challenger on level ground, engage the parking brake, and remove the key. Safety prevents injury. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts while you work. Identify the headlight assembly and confirm the bulb type in your owner manual. Many Challengers use H11 or 9012 bulbs depending on year. Gather tools: a 10 mm socket, ratchet, flat screwdriver, and nitrile gloves. Lay a towel on the bumper to protect paint, and a small tray for screws. To access the bulb, open the hood and locate the rear of the headlight housing. Some models require removing a plastic access cover or loosening the wheel well liner using a 10 mm socket. Reach into the housing, unclip the wiring harness connector by pressing the tab, and carefully release the metal retaining clip or twist lock depending on the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Do not bend the pins. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or broken tabs, and replace any damaged parts before. When installing, wear gloves and avoid touching the glass on the replacement bulb to prevent hotspot failure. Align the bulb base with the housing, push it in straight, and re-engage the retaining clip or twist lock until secure. Reconnect the wiring harness and replace any access covers or liners you removed. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, turn on low beams, and confirm both lights operate and the beam pattern is correct. Adjust alignment if necessary. If the bulb flickers or does not light, check the headlight fuse, socket integrity, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.